My name is Twan Altena and I am an application engineer at De Hoek van Kerosi. On this picture we can see the layout of the machine. The machines we use are machines from PEMTec. On the left we can see the aqua, which is the electrolyte process plant. This makes sure that the electrolyte is filtered and that all values such as temperature, pH and conductivity are regulated throughout the process. In the middle, the PECM mechanic can be seen, where the actual machining takes place. On the right, the PEM power and PEM control can be seen, which contain the generators. I would like to thank you for your attention and interest in the PECM technique. I will hope to see you later at De Hoek. Goodbye.